So I am from Bangladesh. And you?
What your profession?
Actually, I'm a student and I read in class 9 right now. And you? What is your profession and what do you do right now?
Which group you study?
Yeah? Please tell me again.
Which group you study? Arts, science, commerce.
Okay. Thank you so much. Nice question. So, science.
Sorry?
I'm talking science, not arts, not a commerce. Science. And where from? Please tell me.
NASA.
Yeah?
NASA.
Oh,
You know NASA?
actually, actually, I don't know. Okay, no problem. So, what is your name? What is your name?
Aisha.
Maisha. Nice name.
So,
Please tell me, Bola. Tell me, say something. Tell me.
so you living outside of Dhaka?
No. I still live in Govindaganj. This is our city.
Sorry?
I still live in. I'm from Gaibanda, but I still live in Govindaganj. So if you
You're
don't,
not living with your...
yeah, tell me. So if you don't mind, are you married? I think are you married?
No.
Oh, so if you
How
don't,
can you know?
yeah,
How can you know? Okay, no problem.
okay,
So,
okay. What do you do right
have
now? Yeah, what do you do right now?
nothing.
Nothing.
Just, yeah.
You just watching me, and I watching you. So do you
So,
have a
tell me.
do
Okay, okay.
do you
Finish.
have a do you have any boyfriend?
No.
Very good. Are you Muslim or Christian?
Muslim.
Yes, I am Muslim.
That's great.
Yeah, of course. So, what is your profession?
Sorry, I can't say you.
Oh, so if it mean, do you like traveling?
Seriously?
Yeah, of course. I like traveling. Same. So, do you have
I
any?
think you feel nervous.
Yes, of course. I feel nervous. No problem.
Right.
Carry on. So, do you have any sibling?
Sorry?
Do you have any sibling?
No.
Oh, same. I'm just only one. I have no sibling. Can you please follow me? I will follow back you. I'm following you already. Wait. I'm following you already. Please follow me.
You don't mind. I can't follow back you, okay? Because I don't like this follow back.
Oh, okay, no problem. I understand. I got it.
Hey, everybody, welcome my live. Thank you so much for joining my live. Okay. So,
Hmm.
are you host?
Yes, of course. If you don't mind, what type of food do you like?
Like
Fast,
Chinese?
Chinese fast food. I think you like
Yeah.
fast food.
Good.
I don't like fast food.
Sometimes.
Yeah, of course.
Sometimes I like.
Actually, I think right now I'm making a video on YouTube or Facebook page. You don't know. Please tell me, say something. Just 2 minutes. I want to talk to you just 2 minutes. Then there I go to field. Then I will go to field.
Okay.
I will play. So why do you come to Bigo Live if you don't